students and parents, welcome back to my channel with another science tutorial video today, and I'm going to explain you about an important sense organ of human body, that is ear. So today I'm going to explain you about the structure and function of human ear. You all know that we have 5 sense organs in our body, and ear is one of the most important sense organ of human body. We have one pair of ears on the both sides of our head, and the ears are the organ of hearing, and it helps us to balance our body from the environment. Scientific diagram of human ear with description is one of the important question for biology. So first of all, I am showing you how you can draw a scientific diagram of the inside portion of human ear in an easy manner. So my scientific diagram of human ear is ready now, but labeling is compulsory for any scientific diagram, so don't forget to do the labeling for this diagram. The human ear is divided into 3 sections: the outer ear, the middle ear and the inner ear. The outer ear is made up of the ear canal and the ear lobe. The middle ear is made up of the eardrum and the 3 tiny bones that are attached to it. The inner ear is made up of the cochlea and the semicircular canals. Sound waves enter the outer ear and travel through a narrow passageway called the ear canal, which leads to the eardrum. The eardrum vibrates from the incoming sound waves and sends these vibrations to 3 tiny bones in the middle ear. These bones are called the malleus, incus and stapes. Hearing is a mechanical sense. It turns physical movement in the electrical signals that make up the language of the brain, translating these vibrations into what we experience as the world of sound. The diversity of sounds we can hear typically ranges from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. So, I hope my mathematics and science related videos will help you a lot to improve your study. Definitely follow all of my channel videos to get a crystal clear idea about your science and mathematics chapters. Bye bye students.